Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to take a look at the two different reports. The Earthwork report for volumes, and we want to take a look at it if we can customize it a little bit. I'm just gonna hit and open a new blank template. I'm gonna zoom in. I don't really care about anything. All I want to do is create kind of like two surfaces. So I'm just gonna create a new layer. I'm gonna call it existing, and close existing. I'm just gonna put 100 elevation and create a quick boom, boom. Right, and under surfaces I'm gonna create surface, call it existing. And I'm gonna select this line and hit OK. Let's take a quick peek in the 3D view. So basically plain thing. And now I'm gonna create another one, and I'm gonna put finished. And I'm gonna create a finished design. So I'm just gonna go here and do like 98. 100, 102, 101, go here 99, here 100, go here 99, 97, 98, and I'm gonna do the same thing, create a surface, finished, and I'll do again 3D view. So I mean there is a little bit, the reason what I want to do is I want to go to Earthwork report and do surface to surface and do existing versus finished, and get a quick report here where you got about 39,000 of cut and 20,000 of fill, which leaves us with excess of 18,000 and all this information, right? So now I'm gonna put that over, and under the report menu you have a create custom report, add in custom report option. So I'm gonna go create a custom report, and I'm gonna call it pro site Earthworks. I'm gonna do custom Earthworks. I'm gonna choose Earthwork report and report layout file. So what I want to do right now is kind of find this root here, right? And I want to find custom Earthworks report doc, right? And I'm gonna copy it and paste it there, and I'm gonna rename it, and I'm gonna put the pro site in front of it. Okay, so I'll find the pro site and I open it. So now I have all this, and I can hit OK. So if you go to your more reports, I should find I wrote it product, of course, me and my spelling, sorry. So okay, and I have a report here. However, I'm gonna go edit custom report, I wonder if I can change this name here. No, it won't let me. Okay, so I'm gonna redo that quill. Just bear with me for 2 seconds. I think I wanna go to Earthwork report. Now it's gonna bug me because I have so before I even modify it, I wanna basically erase it. So one of the options is here, report of edit custom report. Let's see if this is where I can get rid of it. There is a way to kind of erase it, and I'm gonna see if that's the way. Nope, that's not the way. So where was it? I remember I looked at it once. More reports, and I don't think I can just no. Report options. Okay, yeah, here it is. Under report options, then I can go to find the product Eartworks report and edit, delete, modify, select report. Okay, so I can definitely modify it, and let's see if it does it. Yeah, okay, so now I'm happy camper. So under report, you can definitely, so now I can go edit custom report. I'm gonna choose my procedures. As you guys can see, I messed around with it, and I'm gonna hit edit layout. So what that's gonna do, that's gonna open like let's see if this it's gonna open up a Word document, as you guys can see, with all this information. Okay guys, so let's go. Let's say we want to modify our header and put in some logo, right? So I think I have my raw side logo somewhere here. Let's go graphics, logo, let's see if I can drop it in here. Oops, I'm gonna do this, text, and put the logo here, and then I'm gonna save this as a pro-site custom report, which is not gonna let me save it because it's read only. I wonder why, because of maybe of this. Can't save this file because okay, so pro-site I'll do with logo, hit save, okay, close this, and then I'm gonna have to go back to the modify custom report, and I'm gonna have to choose the one with logo. So pro-site Eartworks logo, okay. And then I'm gonna go to my more reports. I'm gonna go to pro-site Eartworks, hit OK, existing versus finish, and let's see. It opened up the report in Word, right? I mean, it didn't do the best job, but I have my thing in there and my volume, which I have somewhere opened. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this. So the volume is exactly the same, everything is the same, it is in Word, and it added the logo in there. So very useful piece is that you can just go to your edit custom report, select your report, edit layout, and once it opens the Word document, you can make your changes. Obviously I just added an image, but what you want to do is probably, okay, now which one is, yeah, that's the one. I have few Words documents. Boom, can close this one, I don't need, yeah, so this one, right? So I would maybe erase all this, put in my company information without all this, and that would be the easiest way to modify the header. That way this won't, you know, make it a little smaller, put it up top here, remove the operator information or whatever I don't need, and make sure that all the information I want is here, and boom, that would be modified. Save it, and then run the report. So hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'm gonna run it here just for the last time. Cross-site Earthworks. Okay, put it on. I closed it. No, this one is here. Put this one right there. So you have side by side, modified custom report or regular report, and yeah, that's how you make custom ones. If you need to change different units, you can play with those in the document with the macros and everything. Hope this opens the way into modifying your reports a little bit, and we'll see you next one.